These may look like US elevators, but wait till we get in the cab. Look at this. Never sent it to 4.
We have a Kimball.
There's 4. These are epic. Slow. Send this one up to 4, please. Four opens up the desk, so we don't want to disturb them. This is the abandoned floor. You want to end here?
I'll go down to pee.
We'll come up here after we're done. We're going down to pee.
Yes.
Again, these are Kimball. They must have distributed US Elevator.
I believe they did.
Look at these buttons. All right, here we
Now that
go.
we're down at pee, well, I guess you'll have to find a bathroom.
Yeah. Here it goes, and that'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.